Look at Mama. You picked a good outfit. I love it. Pick the hat back up. I love that outfit. Why won't you let me videotape you? You are so cute. Most kids your age like to be videotaped. I'm serious. I'm so serious. You're so cute. Show me your high heel. Show them to me. Show me your shoes. I love it. You're so cute. Come out here. Oh, I'm videotaping Daisy, so either way you come out, you're getting your picture taken. Just live with it. Live with it. Because we love you and you're so